So very good evening friends. Let's quickly take a look at three important questions from strategic management corporate finance, which is going to be very handy for you. Do pay full attention, make full use of it. First one is elaborate briefly what you understand by compliance test report, also called as CTR. So every at the completion of every financial year, AIF manager should prepare a compliance test report for compliance with the AIF regulations. So this is how you are expected to start. And if AIF is a trust, the CTR shall be submitted to the trustee and the sponsor within 30 days from the end of financial year. Then in case of other AIFs, that is non-trust cases, the CTR shall be submitted to the sponsor within 30 days. So first is trustee and the sponsor, and other than trust, then only to the sponsor within 30 days. Next, in case if there are any observations or comments, the trustee or sponsor shall intimate to the manager within 30 days of receipt of the CTR, and within 15 days from the date of receipt of observation, the manager will make necessary changes. So overall cumulative period is 45 days. And in case any violations to the AIF regulations or circulars, so it is observed by the trustee or sponsor, it will be intimated to the SEBI as soon as possible. So what are the key things you need to reproduce in this CTR? Let's quickly summarize. First is manager has to prepare CTR for compliance with the AIF regulations, and the timeline is within 30 days. You can draw in your notes trust and no other than trust. So in case of trust, you can below that put two charts. One is trustee and sponsor, other cases only sponsor within 30 days, and in case of any observations within 50 days. So if you do this, if you take this little bit of efforts, you will not forget any questions, you not miss out on anything, and also you'll be able to pocket full marks. So compulsorily follow these things, and also ensure you watch the video 3 to 4 times so that it gets registered in your mind. So moving on to the next question. Now we're going to see two questions. The shortcut for both is same, that is calls CALLS. So what are the various documents to be submitted for listing of units of AIF post allotment of units? So the first C stands for confirmation from NSDL and CDSL. Next, confirmation from NSDL CDSL for credit, and certified true copy of observations or commission or comments received from SEBI, and certified true copy of final placement memorandum. So first is two certified copies, one is observation or comments, then final placement memorandum, then NSDL and CSDL confirmation. So this is for C. A is for annual listing fees, and first L is for letter of application for listing and listing agreement. So CALL is over, and S is for statement of collection details. So if you remember like this 7 to 8 points, you will not lose a single mark. When you go to bed, remind yourself calls. So C is for confirmation, C is for certified true copy, A is for annual listing fees, L is for letter of application, L is for listing agreement, S is for statement of collection details. So moving on to the last question. What are the various documents to be submitted for listing approval for FCCB or GDRs, ADRs, etc.? Again, the shortcut is calls. So certificate true copy, there we saw the certificate true copy of final placement memorandum or observations or comments from SEBI. Here it is certified true copy of board resolution. Certified true copy of board resolution. I repeat, certified true copy of board resolution. So next is A is for additional annual listing fee, and another A is for auditor's certificate confirming the floor price to the proposed issue. Then first is L is same for previous question, this, that is a letter of application and list of allottees and the number of equity shares allotted. So CALL is over. Lastly, L is for shareholding pattern. So let's quickly summarize the shortcut for the previous question. That is the document to be submitted in case of a LIA, in case of alternate investment funds post allotment, as well as documents for FCCB. Both the shortcuts is calls. So make full use of it. Watch this video 3 to 4 times. Make notes. Don't miss a single question on any useful contents that is being shared here. Exemption is coming your way. Stay focused. Keep going. Don't keep thinking about only 4 days remaining, 1 week remaining. All those things. Just pay full attention on what is front of you. That will ensure you get the job done. So keep going all the way. Best and sorry.